What happens when you lose a neutral wire connection on a 30 amp electrical system? Um, Unlike a 50 amp system, there's not a whole lot that takes place on a 30. So we're talking about 120 volt, 30 amp electrical system on an RV. So if you get an interruption on the 30 amp RV electrical system, so in this print, this is the blue wire, then you'll see I've shown a break in the wire connection here, somewhere in between the shore connection and the load center. So this could have occurred at the recept at the campground. It could be a bad neutral wire here in the shore cord, or in the shore power inlet, or in the transfer switch, or in the wire leading up to the load center, or even a loose connection up here on the bus bar, neutral bus bar in the load center itself. But if that, on a 30 amp system, if that connection goes bad, you will get 0 volts. You'll never create 240 volts on the 30 amp electrical system, unlike the 50 amp where you would. So again, the golden rule is clean and tight. As long as everything's clean and tight, as long as you've got power to your 50 amp circuit breaker and you're passing it on, you're always going to have 120 volts there, as long as you've got a good power connection here on the line side and a good neutral connection here on that side. Now, the other thing we want to note here again is that we've got the ground circuit that goes all the way from the campground power post to the frame ground, and it grounds every one of our electrical components, our transfer switch, our generator, our load center. Everything that's in that trailer has a bonding ground, and you do not want to connect your trailer to the electrical system if the ground is missing.